I've eaten these since early childhood. Pierogi Leniwe, which literally translates to lazy dumplings, is truly a recipe for the lazy. It's a variant of pierogi with a quark filling, transformed to be quicker and easier to prepare. The full recipe, as usual, can be found on the blog. I've got some homemade quark and cake flour. There's also some brown sugar, salt, sour cream, and an egg. I'll also use maple syrup and vanilla paste, but they're optional. I start by preparing the sauce. Sour cream is going to be the base. Another great option is Greek yogurt. I add some sugar. Maple syrup will add an interesting touch. And finally vanilla. I find it complements the dumpling's taste very well. I pour water into a pot and set it to boil. A bit of salt also goes in. For the dough, I start with an egg. I separate the yolk from the white. Quark goes in. It's best to pass it through a potato press or grind it to eliminate lumps. I often skip this step because my homemade quark is usually smooth anyway. The next ingredient is flour. Now I focus on the egg white. A pinch of salt goes in. I beat the white until I see firm peaks. Beating the white is optional. The difference in texture it provides over simply mixing the unbeaten white into the dough is minimal, bordering on a placebo. Even the whisk tells me I'm adding unnecessary work to this. Oh well. I switch back to the dough and mix the ingredients. Once I have a smooth texture, I add the white. Here comes the fun part. I generously dust the counter with flour. I scoop out half of the dough and place it on the floured surface. Then I roll it into a sausage-like shape. I flatten it a bit and cut it into individual dumplings. Triangles are my shape of choice, but there's no rule dictating this. I repeat the process with the other half of the dough. Now I'll boil the dumplings. They're delicate and prone to falling apart, so I prefer simmering water over a rolling boil. I put the dumplings in the pot. They initially sink to the bottom. After a minute or so, they start floating. It's a sign they're ready. I scoop them out with a slotted spoon and let them drain. It's important not to let them float too long, lest they start softening up, soaking water and finally disintegrating. Anything under 2 minutes should be fine. I serve the dumplings while they're still hot. A few go into the bowl, followed by some sauce. Let's give them a taste. The quark-based dough is soft and elastic. Flavor-wise, it's on the sour side. The sauce is sweeter, so it provides a pleasant contrast. The child in me is so happy right now. Yum!